Hey, what's up guys? This is Doug from Carson Optical, and today we're going to check out the Microflip. This is a high-powered pocket microscope that can zoom from 100 power to 250 power. It has some high-quality optics, and on the side is a cool base plate that folds out so you can view different slides. Inside the kit, you'll find a blank slide and cover slip to get you started. Included with the Microflip is an adapter that attaches to your smartphone and allows you to take photos and videos of your research. When preparing your own slides, it's a good idea to use a cover slip to get better results. Check out how cool something like pond water looks. It's amazing how many things there are that you just can't see with the naked eye. When you're not viewing slides, remember to flip back the base plate. If you enjoy looking at different types of plant life, the Microflip can give you close-up details that you didn't even know were there. It's an awesome device for any sort of quick inspection. I also like how versatile the Microflip is. With the LED light turned on, you'll be able to get crystal clear results in any lighting condition. When you flip out the base plate, the LED lights will automatically change to a setting that's ideal for viewing different slides. Built into the body is a cool UV light that will allow you to see things like hidden print on currency. The Microflip uses one AA battery. I love this thing. Having such high-powered optics and a pocket microscope makes this a lot of fun to use. And the best part is it fits right in your pocket. I'm Doug from Carson, and I'll see you next time.
From birding and hiking to sports and travel, Nature DX binoculars are your perfect outdoor companion. Ranging in size from a compact 8x25 to a large 12x56, there's a Nature DX to fit any outdoor activity. The Cornell Lab of Ornithology selected Nature DX 8x42 as its top choice in binoculars under $200, providing high-end features at a value price. Nature DX sports fully multi-coated optics and phase-coated BA-K4 prisms for brighter images with increased contrast and resolution. Select models offer a close focus as little as 6.5 feet, perfect for up-close observing. Nature DX features a rugged, rubber-armored body, and it's waterproof and nitrogen-purged for use in any weather condition. Every Nature DX binocular includes a neck strap and carrying case.
Hello, today you and I are going to discuss this awesome new scope by Piney. It's a scope and laser combo, has a red laser with it. It is a 10x40 powered scope. It comes with 3 batteries for the laser, if you unscrew the little button where the button is, that's where those go in. And it also has a crosshair. The crosshair lights up red or green depending on how bright you want it. And that battery goes on the dial that adjusts the brightness controls for that to swap back and forth. As you can see me tightening up right now. Go ahead and check out. You can see for yourself. There's the green. Well, let me get around to the camera for you. Okay, there's the green crosshairs. As you can see, they light up green with different brightness options. And there's the red. Now, the red doesn't work too well during the day, but at night it works really, really well, or to the dusk hours. So to mount this scope, you simply use the hand screws and loosen it up and mount it. Now, when you go to mount these, I'd recommend adjusting it where the eye relief is best for you, where you actually see the whole crosshair, and then tighten it down. Make sure you tighten it down as much as you can without stripping the threads, of course. That way, when you're shooting, it doesn't lose zero. So when you're shooting, it doesn't come loose and move around, because then you would lose your zero or your accuracy, and causing you to have to redo it all over again. To adjust the scope, there's a screw cap on top and a screw cap on the side. The top adjusts the up and down, and the right side adjusts your left and right actions. So we got a round in the chamber. Let's send this bullet down range and test out this scope. Personally, I find this scope pretty comfortable. The eye relief could be a little bit better, but for the most part, it works really well. It's nice and sleek. It isn't heavy, so it fits on your gun really nicely. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you learned a little bit about this scope. Go ahead and check it out, put it in your cart, and thank you and have a wonderful day.
ToyerBee Refractor Telescope Installation Guidelines. Carefully remove all parts from the cardboard box and lay them on a table or on the floor in order to make sure all the items listed in parts list are accounted for. Extend the tripod leg to the desired height and fasten the tripod adjustment buckle. Place the telescope tube on the tripod and rotate the knob to fix it. Remove the thumb screws from the telescope main tube. Place the finder scope bracket onto the telescope tube and fix it by screw. After installing the telescope, remove the dust cover at both ends of the diagonal mirror, eyepiece, finder scope and the telescope main tube. Insert the diagonal mirror into the end of the telescope tube. Install the 20mm eyepiece into the diagonal mirror and tighten the set screw. When a high magnification observation is required, a 3x multiplier can be inserted between the eyepiece and the diagonal mirror. Install the phone adapter on the eyepiece, and the phone lens is aimed at the eyepiece. Turn on the Bluetooth button switch and find the Bluetooth named App Shutter 3 in the phone. Press the camera button to take a photo. The safest way to look at the sun through your own telescope is not to. Not only could you damage your eye, but you can also damage the lenses in the telescope. The safest practical way to see the sun is by eyepiece projection. Line up your telescope with the sun, but do not look through the eyepiece. ToyerBee.
When the lights go out, don't be left in the dark. Introducing Tritium Pro handgun night sights by TrueGlow. Tritium Pro night sights are assembled in the U.S. with CNC machined steel and the best Swiss tritium, glowing in low light and complete darkness. The familiar 3-dot design is bright, accurate, and effective. In daylight, the front sight transitions to a white dot with a large white focus lock ring. The rear sight fades to black, keeping you focused on the front sight for amazing accuracy and speed. A U-notch rear sight provides simple and quick alignment. The rugged construction and aligned rear sight hook allow for one-hand emergency operation of the slide. Tritium Pro sights are tough, with a fortress finish and 12-year warranty. It's time to carry your handgun out of the dark ages.